Hi, it's Ms. Parrott, and this video is about the endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of a group of organs called glands, and these glands produce chemical messages called hormones. Hormones are chemicals that are produced in one part of the body and are sent to another part to tell it what to do, to stimulate a response. Unlike the nervous system, it takes longer for chemical messages to go from one endocrine gland to a receptor organ, but the effects last longer. And as I said before, hormones go a long distance, right? So instead of nervous system where you just go, the message goes from one cell directly to the next cell, hormones have to travel from one whole body part to another. For instance, the Pituitary gland, just below the brain, makes antidiuretic hormone, which helps us regulate our water balance, but it does that by producing effects all the way down in the kidneys. The pituitary gland is also responsible for growth by making human growth hormone, or HGH. Also, sex cell production, so the production of sperm and egg, is controlled by follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone that are made in the pituitary gland. Moving farther down the body, right in the neck area, you'll find the thyroid. The job of the thyroid is to produce thyroxine, and thyroxine is essential for regulating our metabolism, or the rate of chemical reactions in our bodies. Next is the pancreas, which sits right up underneath the stomach, and its job is to regulate blood sugar. It produces the hormones insulin and glucagon, which may lower or increase your blood sugar levels. Just above your kidneys here, almost like little party hats, are the adrenal glands. And adrenal glands produce cortisol and epinephrine, also called adrenaline. And that's going to help us cope with emergencies. It's going to help us with the fight or flight response. So this is, again, you have a hormone being made in the adrenal glands on top of the kidneys, but the effects of that are going to be seen in your cardiovascular system, in your respiratory system, right? Your heart, your lungs, your veins. And so you have something being made in one part of the body that's going to affect the functions of another part of the body. Finally, we have our different sex organs that produce hormones. So in males, testes produce testosterone that help develop the male features during puberty, right? Like body hair, lower voice, musculature. Females have ovaries, and the job of the ovaries is to produce estrogen and progesterone, and those are going to control the menstrual period of the female. Also, estrogen triggers the female features during puberty, right, like breast formation and body shape. So these are just a few, but some of the very important pieces and parts of the endocrine system.